This is just a silly little trick that kind of developed through a conversation with one of the testers. Actually, kind of through a couple of the testers. One of the testers said something, I misunderstood it, and another tester kind of suggested this. And anyway, so I'm gonna pick a different color than the default. Like I just pulled up the stock default Stipple logo just for this example. So, of course, by default, it's just drawing the color we selected. However, we can actually change that color as we draw with hands. So now, if you take one finger and put it down in the color selector, and if you slide it around, you'll see that it actually changes the color as we slide it. So with one hand down in the color and the other drawing, we can actually change the uh, the color of the pen or the color of the dot as we go. So now this is pretty wild. Let's do something to make it even more wild. Let's give us a dark background, and I'm gonna hide my source image. I'm gonna delete that. Let's switch to glow mode down in the blend. Oops. All right. So let's try this again. So yeah, so now we got some kind of rainbow brush. Although this is definitely a hack and it should just be a built-in feature and not something that you got to mix around like you're some DJ. Anyway, yeah, give it a shot if you really run out of tricks to try. Thanks for watching.